through it.
We would like to be the first to welcome you to New York City, where it is currently 11:21 p.m. We will be arriving at the gate 22.